So can you tell me which eye is Natasha Denona and which eye is Dollar Tree? Good morning, guys. I have an exciting video today. We are putting Natasha Denona's Nude palette against LA Colors Almost Nude. There they are. This is Dollar Tree. This is Natasha Denona. Let's get started. So today I'm going to start out a little differently. I'm going to use the Dollar Tree BB cream all over my face and on my eyelids, as this is going to be the eye primer. Let's see if LA Colors can be just as good or better than Natasha Denona. So I am even going to put Natasha Denona on this eye because this one has eczema. I'm just going to place this shade right here up into and over the crease. It just wouldn't be fair if I put Natasha on this eye because, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Is Natasha better? I don't know. Okay, so I've wiped off my brush and we are going into the second shade right there on the other eye. Okay, this shade is a little bit darker or more orangey, and it was in the swatch as well. So far, of course, Natasha is a little bit more pigmented, but we are going to amp it up on the other side. Okay, can it be built? Yes, it can. It can be built up. This is new and improved, by the way, too. This is the only one I bought that was new and improved. I didn't even look. I just thought they all were the old formula. Okay, so what do we think? Next is going to be this color right here. And I'm putting that on the lid, movable lid, and up into the crease. This might be a different tone on the other side, and I have to go to work, so I am trusting that this is going to work. I'm taking it under too, just to save time. Yeah, see, the right here where I have the eczema is really hindering the application there, but it's doing very well over it though. So then I'm going into, I believe it's called Soil, right here, and putting that in the same place. Okay, so the next shade is this one right there. That would be shade number 4, and it is very, very creamy. It's right here. I was really shocked with this color. Look at that. Look at how smooth and beautiful that color is. That blew me away. It's not dry and stiff. It is creamy and pliable. Like, just amazing. This makes this look, this shade right there. So let's take the equivalent shade in the Natasha Nude palette right there. And do this. Look at that. Like, I mean, these are acting identical. I will say the mattes did not, but they were not bad. LA Colors is killing it with their formula lately. The new and improved one anyways. I don't see a difference. I don't. I mean, okay, Natasha's formula is, her mattes are amazing. Like, they are better. But this shade here is just as creamy as this one. Like, I'm not kidding. It's just as creamy. You can't tell me, like, you just can't tell me that you want to spend, what was it? I paid $33 for this here in Canada when it came out. I don't remember when that was, about 3 years ago now. And I paid $1.75 for this. And so I'm going to come back and show you how it went through the day. You can see the color difference, but once I get the eyeliner on, you're not going to see the difference. You're not. Remember, I have eczema on this eye. Nothing wants to stick there right now. So it's not this formula's fault. That's why I put it on that eye, to give Natasha, yeah, like she needs to be tested like that. But I was going to say to give Natasha a chance. It's okay. I know. All right, I'll be all right. Here is the finished look. Can we take a moment for LA Colors? Like, you know, there's no difference. Here we go. Like, okay. The BB cream, I haven't had to touch this up all day. I'm impressed. I really am. This is Cosmic Colors. Hi guys, I said I would show you the eye look and see if they fade or whatever, and it has been about 8 hours since I put on the Dollar Tree and the Natasha Denona eyeshadows, and they are still looking beautiful and the same. So on the rest of my face, I used LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer in Sun Goddess. Absolutely love this. I think I'm going to buy like 5 or 6 of these, and I think it's replacing my beloved NARS. I think it's going to. This is how much I have loved this girl, and I've gone through 3 minis as well. I also have on my brows the Universal LA Colors Brow Powder. Looks like that. Absolutely fantastic. On my face is the Glow Up Wands by Be Pure. This is the contour in light medium, the blush in Ballerina Pink, and the highlighter in Shimmering Pearl. On my lips is Cosmic Colors, my new beloved shade, in 01. This is a dupe for Kim KW from Charlotte Tilbury, 100% dupe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.